What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening the last product of Pokemon's Crown Zenith. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so here we go. So we got Shiny Zacian and Shiny Zamazenta. These are the last two gift boxes that will be coming out for Crown Zenith and product. So hopefully we got better chance here to complete our set. So here we go guys. Let's open these. Man, these are pretty hard to open. I don't know. You guys let me know. Are they getting harder to open? Oh man, cause wow. There we go. It's our first one. So I want to apologize guys for the big absence. It's been kind of crazy. As you guys can probably hear, I'm getting a little bit sick again. There we go. Here's a little figure. And we also get some sleeves. We get the promo. Pretty cool. And there's the promo code. Alright. We get a total of 11 packs, guys. So far I've seen a few videos and there are some pretty great pulls. Obviously we get some great pulls through Crown Zenith products, but so far great pulls. So hopefully we get lucky as well. And here we go. We go with the first pack. Yeah guys, so it's been a while and I've done a video. I've been pretty busy. I'm so sorry about that. You know, it's been crazy. Alright, hopefully I did that right. Yep, there we go. We got an Energy, Solrock, Krokorok, Luxio, Salandit, Purloin, Grovin, Scralp, Helioptile. We got a Bisharp and Linkarok. Alright. Not a great start, but that's fine. There we go. So yeah guys, I was able to pick up this product the previous day, so recording this on Thursday, so I got this on Wednesday, and also I picked up some other product as well for another video. It's crazy. I have a lot of stuff, but it's been crazy. You know, I also got like these Battle Dex EX and also the Cycloser EX. So yeah, that will be for another video. And also got some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. The Cyberspace Axis. There you go. Alright, so here we go. And we get a Zacian V. Alright. Already got this one. So yeah guys, you guys should take advantage of this product. It's a very good price for it. For 11 packs. So also expect all these cards to drop in more in price as well. Yay, Oricorio, not bad. Alright, full art. Pretty cool. Yeah, they're gonna be dropping more in price. So for any of you guys still trying to complete your set, just wait till Monday for prices to drop in the following week as well. Obviously, maybe after around June. Let's see, I should say, yeah, June, July. Maybe these prices start going up again. All right, so take advantage when you start seeing those big drops. All right. Also, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm trying to see if I get one of those booster boxes for Evolving Skies, which some people call it Evolving Cries. Hey, we get him, you full art. I don't think we have this card. Pretty cool. Yeah, like I was saying, Evolving Cries, right? There we go. Promo code. I'm glad some of you guys are using these codes, taking advantage of them. You know, got Pioneer, Tangela, Baltoy, Meow, Volcanion, and Gumshoes. Oh, also I got the Paldea mini tints, which we just found out that it's not Paldea Evolve on those packs inside, on those mini tints. Yeah, we were not sure what they were inside. So we get one pack of the Scarlet and Violet, and also a one pack of the Silver Tempest. pretty interesting. You know, some people thought maybe one pack of Scarlet and Violet and one pack of Crown Zenith, but they went with Silver Tempest, which is pretty cool. You know, not bad. And we get a Riolu and a Zeora. Oops, Zeraora V. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, double hit. Pretty cool. Alright, 2 more packs. Can we get finally one of them golden cards, man? We need one of those. Here you go, guys. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure the rates on these yet, but so far we were getting some great pulls, you know, for 11 packs. We'll check at the end how many pulls we had. All right, and last one, got Krokorok, Lunatone, Rockruff, Purloin, Love Disc, Chatot, Yanma, and Manaphy, and Yamega in the back. Alright. I think we already got this one though. Alright guys, so later we'll check how many hits we got on this first box. Now let's move on to our second box. The shiny Zamazenta. And here's our pin. Pretty cool pin. And our little figure. Pretty dope. This is my first time getting these kind of figures on gift boxes. Here's our shiny Zamazenta V. Here's the promo code, guys. We are the sleeves, they come with it. And 11 packs. Here we go. Alright. There you go. Hopefully we get better luck in this box. Oh, these feel kind of different. Oh, about the same. Alright, here's the promo code. And we got Great Ball, Sharp, Pancham, Switch, Snorant, Larvista, Tangela, Kildale. Now this is our first one, I believe. And we got a draw gauge in the back. Alright. First one was a full art. Here's the promo code. Alright. Come on. Give us a golden card. Ah, numerous. We got what? 9 packs? Come on, we can do it. I mean, they're dropping in price, so obviously the Giratina being the best one was about almost 200 from when I start seeing it. So now it's about 100. Hey, Hishrin Summerat. Oh, this card's pretty awesome. Oh, that's pretty great. Oh, a double hit. We got a Simicy or V-Star. Alright. Not bad. Pretty cool. I think on the other one we only had also a double pull. Alright. Like I was saying, also the Alga and Palkia have dropped under 50 already, so we might be getting those even more in drop. Hey, Energy and a Leafeon V. Oh my god, what happened to this card? Look at those scratches. Ah, no bueno. No. Alright, oh well. It is what it is, right guys? And let me see one more, right? Arceus, there we go. Here's the promo code. Alright. Moga, Switch, and Zeraora. Alright. 6 packs. Yeah, guys, take advantage of these boxes. 11 packs for roughly about 50 bucks. Not bad. Hey, another one. All right. There you go. Oh, come on. Just one golden. And Zarude. Also, we're still missing a lot of the reverse hollows to complete. Alright. Got Great Ball, Bisharp, Chatot, got a Yanma, Poniard, Kricketot, Shanks. Hey, Hishrin Summerat V-Star. Hey, what is it with this card? Well, Pokemon, not the card. And Oranguru. Hey, pretty cool. Another full art card. Alright, we're getting a lot of cards that we still need in our set. There's promo code. Alright, Leiron, Renton Sinnoh, Gloom, Purloin, Grubbin, Scrap, Helioptile, Wooloo, Lippert, Luxray, and that's it. Yeah, it's an awful pack. All right, promo code. All right, Giraffe Rig, Pickerchan, Great Ball, Starly, Scyther, Emolga, Young Goose, Shurubi. Hey, we got a Mareep and Scyther in the back. Alright. Next one. Last 2 packs, guys. So I'm probably going to try to purchase more of these. I'm not sure how many more we could probably get. Well, we might have to create at least about 2 booster boxes of these just for our upcoming videos. Yes, Crown Zenith is pretty excited to open, guys. You know, I kinda like it. Hey, Bibarel, and we got a Snorlax. Alright. Can this be the last one? Alright, promo code. Come on, here we go. Last one. We got Energy, Rare Candy, Dusclops, Energy Switch, Energy Retrieval, Shanks, Larvesta, Pawniard, Whelmer, Lost Vacuum, and a Scyther. Alright, so let's recap what pulls did we get. Alright guys, so obviously we got the shiny Zamazenta shiny Zacian promos, right? And from our first box, these were the hits. Alright, not great. Alright, and then from our second box, we did much better actually. A lot of pretty great hits. So yeah guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you guys enjoy the video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below what do you guys think of these collectible boxes, and I'll catch you guys to the next one. Bye.